Hello everyone. So I'm unboxing a new book that I've been waiting for a long time. So I have heard it's a great book. So as you can see, I just received it. It is called The Science Behind, How the World Really Works by Vaclav Smil. Bill Gates had given a great raving review of this book, and I heard it's really quite good. So I'm just going to give it a try and see what it is really about. Pardon for my bad English. Comment if you have read it and let me know how what was your thought. Did you get any benefit of this book or it's just a hype? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any suggestion, let me know. We'll work on that. Thanks.